Hello, people. Welcome back to the blah 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 video center. More blah blah blahs. Okay. What should we do today? Okay, voters. Let's go mining. TNT. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Ooh, I should look for the ocelot I saw spawn. Where are the chickies? Why chickie? Where are the chickies? Here, ocelot. Ooh, look at my XP. A lot of XP. Okay. Alright, he's probably over. What? Actually, probably over here. Because that's where I saw him. And then he walked over here, so. Here, buddy, buddy. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. You want to make a friend? You seem so lonely. You need a friend. You need a friend. Come here. You need a friend. Alright, let's see if we can get a better view. Here, boy, you need a friend, don't you? You need a friend. Oh, do you need a friend? Oh, I can give you a friend. Just come out from hiding. If you want a friend, come here. You want a friend? Oh well. I'll find you later. Maybe you fell in my mind. I don't think that would be right. But let's give it a shot. Nope. Okay, let's build some more stuff. Up and up and up we go, up and up and up more we go. Oh good, I regened my health. Armor am I wearing? I guess I just put it, I remember. Here we go. Oh yes, I was gonna move it. Yipes. Impressive. Ooh, we should go to the top. Dun dun. This is cool. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Ooh, that was very close. I don't think I've ever done a jump that was that close. Well, except I've done it close. But that doesn't count. Okay. Any more eggs? Yeah, thanks. Okay. Ooh, bone meal. It's a bone meal. What was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, so I don't actually have a bed. There's nothing to move in. Okay, but let's harvest. I'll be needing that. Okay. Need some seeds in my hand. Okay. Let's make lots of babies. Okay, you want to make some babies, don't you? Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, you want to make another baby? Another baby. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. I'm trying to feed you. Fine then. No more babies for me. Hey, what's wrong with that chicken? Get over here, chicken. I'm worried about you. Out, out, out. Okay, you want to give me another baby now? Huh. You guys do not want to give me babies today. Oh well. Guess I might as well use my... Oh. You're not gonna mail my stuff to plant some. Next little hole. Right, I need food. Since I can't seem to find my ocelot, I'll be cooking my fish. And then I can also cook this iron. Now, actually better. Okay, let's put this into action. So first off, we need some cocoa beans. Where are you, cocoa beans? I need you. I need you. You're useful. Well, I guess I don't need it now, but still. When I put this plan into action, I'll make cocoa beans. See, I'm going to, let's see, make, so I just found out that actually, if you're in a jungle, it's much, much cheaper just to build cookies, because that refills a total of 8 health over time, which is a lot. I mean, 8 hunger. It's a lot. But I'm wondering where my cocoa beans are. Huh, that's weird. Oh well, I guess they're not incredibly easy to find. Here we go! Okay, I'm just gonna build some more up here. Probably gonna build until night. I don't know what to do until night. Let's see, I'll just go up and up and up and up and up and up and up. burst through the cloud to find a nice big house. Ooh, I should build a guardrail. Okay. Alright. Guardrail all along here. Oh, it's getting dark. Yeah, let's just finish the guardrail really quick. Or at least finish up our planks. I'm not sure how long this will last us. Ah, one, so close. Alright, let's just make one more batch. Oops. Is that it? Okay. I personally turned it on normal today, so there's no mistaking it. There will be mobs. Do it. There's a mob right there. Alright, looks like a skill. We'll kill him. I don't need a new sword, but let's just kill this skill. Oh yeah, him. At least. Thought it took 4 hits with the sword. Make another sword. Just need one more. In the audience. Ooh, lots of eggs again. Oh, I killed him. Okay. Well, I didn't kill him, but I dealt damage. Poor guy. Bone meal. Make the sword. Put the fish will go in there just because I don't really know what to do with it. Oh, lots of oak saplings. String. Ooh, 20 string. Never had that much actually. What? Okay. Okay, so. Oh, you know, today I heard you can actually make a jungle tree. Whoa. I got this from watching Captain Sparkles. You can actually make a jungle tree out of 1 jungle sapling, 3 normal saplings. Crap. Ooh, that was an accident. The rest was hidden. Just hidden. Let's kill some mobs. Ooh. Yeah, that was a clever scheme. Never done that before. You dare oppose me. Guys, come here, get all the water, you stupid. Right here, the stairs right there. No, gunpowder. Treachery! Pure treachery. Sheer treachery. Oh, you're stupid. There, oppose me. Ah, you didn't even deal damage. No, I can't remember a time where I fought a zombie with it dealing damage. It really just doesn't happen. Hey, whoa, creeper. Hi, why did you blow up? Hi, guy. Ran away like usual. Oh, there's a creeper by my house. Gotta get rid of him. Can't stand for this. Just can't stand for this. Gotta go get him. Oh, I need another creeper. Die, creeper. Die. I like to call them creepies. You're my little creepy, aren't you? Oh, crap. I punched them. That didn't help. Oh, here's Bitter. Come here. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on, come on. Away from the skeletons out there. Just like this. This is how I like to set them. Hey, zombies. I like to toy with zombies. So dumb. I'm fighting two here at once. And zombies deal a surprising amount of damage. Crap. Ooh, that was close. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it wasn't so bad. Run! Run! Let me try and kill him with my fishing rod. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, abandoned search! Ha! All hands on deck! Oh, that was kind of scary. Yeah, it's like they sent out like a guard. Okay, I'm going to use my fishing rod and kill you. Okay, fine, I'll use my bow and kill you. And then, of course, on this. Found one skeleton is a lot easier to fight. Skeleton in particular, I've noticed. But really, not any mob is easy. Oh, dang it. Why are you doing this? It tells me to do it. Aim! The skeletons are actually surprisingly good at their aim. Well, I better finish up here. Got a couple minutes before I'm kicked off the computer, so kill this guy. Oh dang it, I wish this sword didn't knock back. I prefer swords without knockback actually. Even for creepers, when I get to run. I have to finish up the troop real quick. Oh god dang it. There's a spinner after me! There's a spinner after me! Oh, heal. Kill those hearts. Oh, I need those hearts. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, didn't lose a heart. Captain Sparkles. Captain Sparkles is so good that when he fights, he doesn't lose a single heart, even with spiders. I think that's pretty cool. Blow up. I knew you'd do that. Well, I have limited time left. What's wrong with you? Now, apparently spiders are neutral, but they always kill me anyway. I don't get it. Okay, I better finish up. Eat a bit. Goodbye! Just check for eggs. Of course you wouldn't. You're such a good little chickies. Oh, lots of chicks. Whoa, I have a lot of chickens. It'd be funny if we could use bone meal on chickens. Try it. Oh. Looky here. What do you know? Okay. Can I use this on you? I didn't think so. Why are you looking at me so funny? I didn't think so. Well, goodbye, watchers, and have a good day.